Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to talk about how to change a favicon on your WordPress website. So a favicon is very important. It's kind of your identity on a browser tab. So I've got a couple of examples here, say YouTube, Indian Express, Google, Apple. These tiny logos that you see on top are favicons. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and teach you how to change a favicon on your website. So currently WordPress recommends that you use a square icon for this, and the minimum resolution for it has to be 512 by 512 pixels. For that, on the panel you'll have to scroll down, go all the way to settings and go to general. Once you're here, as you can see, site icon is the first option you see here, and this is where you set the favicon. You can quickly hit change. If you have a favicon already uploaded on your media gallery, you can do it, or else you can upload one quickly. I'm going to do that. So here is the favicon that I have for my website. Looks good to me. Waiting for it to upload. Hit continue. If you want to make any other changes, if you want to crop it to have like a slightly better visual of it, can do that here. And once you're sure, you can hit done. So hit save. Now it might take slightly longer at times for it to reflect, but within say 5 to 10 minutes, if your WordPress website is being cached, it might take slightly longer, but apart from that, within 5 minutes you should be able to see that happening. That's it for this video.